In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to switch out your hydraulic disc brake pads. So easy that a baby could do it. This hydraulic disc brake system is by Zoom. So these are Zoom calipers. You're only going to need a few things to do this. You're going to need some needle nose pliers, Allen wrench in order to get this off of here. So you guys can see, I'm not sure exactly what size this is, but it fits perfectly in there. Of course, you're gonna need a new set of brake pads, and then you're gonna need something flat in order to push the pistons back in. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our Allen key, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take our calipers off. So we're just gonna go ahead and loosen up these two that tighten your caliper onto your fork. To be honest, this whole entire process is very easy. Make sure you don't lose any of your hardware for this. Put it all in a safe place. And boom, we have our caliper off. Easy as that. And now we're gonna need our needle nose pliers because this guy right here has a pin that we actually need to bend out. So that pin is right here, just like this. You're just gonna straighten it out. Then once you get that guy straightened out, we're just gonna pull it right out. And that pin is what was holding the brake pads in place. So now we can go ahead right here. Just gonna pull out your old brake pads. So we've got our old brake pads out. I mean, they're definitely a little bit faded, but we're gonna put some new ones on. And if your guys' calipers need a good cleaning, now would be the time to do that, but we are not doing that. Now we're gonna need whatever you grab that is flat. I have an old butter knife because we have to push these pistons back in on the inside. So it's nice to be able to add even pressure, just like this butter knife does easily, because we don't want to damage the pistons inside of here. And if you guys look, those are pushed back in all the way. So now you can take your new brake pad, and if you lost your old pin, these brake pads usually come with the new one. One of my biggest suggestions would be to make sure you get the right brake pads, of course. It's not too difficult to do. I ended up finding these on Amazon and they're really nice. And all you gotta do with the new brake pad, slide it in the same way that the old ones came out. The part with the circle goes right where the pin came out. So you're just gonna take this, slide it in, and then your new brake pads are in. All you have to do now is slide the pin back into place that was there before, just like that. Take your needle nose pliers, bend that back into place, and there we go. So now all we have to do is take your caliper, get it back into position, just like that. Might take a little bit of finagling, and all you really need now is your bolts. We're just gonna tighten those bolts back up. But first you're gonna put them on loosely. So put those bolts on here loosely. Okay, so we've got our bolts on loosely. Now we're gonna go ahead. This is gonna take a little bit of skill. You're gonna hold down your brakes and you're going to tighten these at the same time. Don't let go of your brake handle until these are completely tight on there. Trust me guys, it's more difficult than it sounds to hold the brakes and do this at the same time. So if you have somebody to help you, go ahead and grab them, whether it's a friend, your brother, sister, mom, dad, wife, you name it. It'll make this a little bit easier. And the reason why we're holding down the brakes while we do this is because that's gonna help make sure our rotor is aligned with our caliper and fresh set of brake pads. Tight. Now we can let go of the brake handle and you have new brake pads on your bike. And once you guys get your new brake pads in, don't go crazy. You're gonna need to go out and break them in, aka bed your brakes. So just go and ride around, just use them a little bit and get them all broken in. But now let's quickly see how they sound. Yep. Those are silent and they grab perfect. So now I'm gonna go and ride this around the block a few times and get the brakes bedded in. I hope this helped you guys out if you were looking to replace your brake pads on your hydraulic disc brakes. And if it did help you out, give the video a like. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.